dance. Look at mama. Look at mama.
We need to do that again because I don't know if I got it. I don't know. What's the more Jello?
She's sick of it now.
Here, have some Jello.
He's still making the faces. You didn't catch it?
Yeah, I got him. But I like that initial face too.
Um, Look at mama. I've had enough. You do it.
You don't like Jello, do you?
Close his eyes. He's looking at me.
What do you think?
Oh, no.
I bought him some, a little cup.
You hollered at that.
You are a silly boy. You're silly.
That said something, no.
Oh, no table.